guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're making another video in Flood Escape, and today we're here with my friend Jate. Shout out to him. And we're here with my friend Beyblade Bang. Making it now. I'm making it now. Doing vid. Oh, people asking what my YouTube channel is called. It's called Flying Fox Flies. Okay, let's go. Ding ding. Up there. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Just I want to press that button. There. Now, people, get up here and let's get out of here. No. No. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, you got me there, man. Where's my friend Jared? Jarte, I mean. Where is he? Where is he? Oh. He's dead. I didn't know what's going on, but they keep on dying. That's okay. Let's go. Yes, I made it. And that person, my YouTube channel's called. Yo, Jared. Where's Jared? Jarte. Where's Jarte? He's still in here. Jarte. Oh, we go. Yes, I know how to get there. Hey, leave me to this. Yo, what's up, man? Ooh, I'm one level higher than. Let's go up. He doesn't know I'm going to get it. Press that button. Now let's go down. Going. Where's my friend? Everyone's leaving us behind. But not to worry. Where? Let me jump here. There. Jump! No, sorry, I can't accept your friend request because I only accept fan requests. And I only accept fan requests. And put your name down below what your name is, and if you my name's Nighthunter619, and if you don't know how to spell it, just do your name down below, and then I'll type that up, and then I will friend you, and you will be my friend, and you can join some of my games and be in one of my videos. So let me watch my friend Jate. Yes, Jate. What are you doing? Jared. He's level 1. He hasn't played this game before. That's okay, but still. It's Jared. You can make it. You can make it to the finish line. I mean, survival, whatever it's called, but you can make it. You're survived, Jared. I mean, Jate. I keep on saying Jared. I didn't know why I'm saying Jared. Now it's time for me to join in. Spicy. As you see, I changed my shirt because I had enough Robux to buy this shirt, which was really not that expensive, but I have like 45 Robux. I might be getting Builders Club, guys. And I might be getting about 6,000 Robux or 4,000. Let's go up. How did he pass me? Oh! So hard to jump. Jared, hurry! I mean, George, I don't know why I'm saying Jared. Hurry. Hurry, man. Let's go. We're up to the next level. We're at the boat. And now let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Going through. Hurry! I'm safe. Good as all. Jared doesn't know how to go down. Oh, wait. Oh, come on. Oh, Jate is saved. Jate. Do I look like I have Robux? Where's Jokaz? Who's Jokaz? Where's Jokaz? Where's Jokaz? I can't see Joke. No. Someone. No. Sorry, I have to say no because it's already warming up. Did someone even push that button? Let's go down. I'm so dead. I know that I'm so dead. I am so dead. I'm so dead though. I'm so dead. I'm so dead.